Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my PR planner. This is a DIY planner using a tool cover and tool disc from Office Depot. The pen pouch is from a Walmart stationery kit, and the inserts that I use in this planner are printable inserts available to patron elites. These are the June inserts. This is the previous week. I did do a little something. I have not decorated the monthly yet, so that will be coming. And I will be doing the week of the 6th through the 12th today. I also have this, which I couldn't wait to use to show you. So I've already used one of the stickers here. This is the latest perk available to Scrapcraftastic patrons over on my Patreon. The link to Patreon is in the description box below. So this kind of goes along with the this week, next week, to do today script printable. This one is goals, notes, plan, and work. There will be more to come. And I like to make these larger. These work great in the Happy Planner. They work great in A5 or half letter. If you want to reduce the size, you can. They are formatted to print with Silhouette or Cricut, so they're Cricut ready. And I also have versions that are outlined. So if you're using the Brothers Scan and Cut, you should be able to cut them with no problem. They can also be cut by hand. So it's with the gray outline, it still gives you an offset, so it makes it easier to cut. And these are available to Patron Elites and Patron Plus. I also have a package here from Let's Get Planned. So let's go ahead and take this out so we can move the planner out of the way and get into this package. Here we go. Let's see what the note says. These are June releases that are already available in the Etsy shop. Let's see what this big one is. Is this a large dashboard for Happy Planner size maybe? Let's see. I'm not sure. I wonder you could trim it down to work in an A5. So this is designed to work in a classic Happy Planner as a dashboard. So I guess once it's laminated, it would be the size that you need to punch and put in your planner. It's also designed to trim down to an A5. So this can work in both sizes. Let's go ahead and open this too before we get into the stickers. Oh my. So this is a wood, what is it called? A wood planner clip. So this is actually a piece of wood in here. So yeah, that is one of the planner accessories or planner clips available at Let's Get Planned. Okay, so I'll be using that in this planner. Hopefully I won't lose it. Now on to the stickers. I already peeped these llamas. I think they are so cute. I've never understood the no drama llama or drama llama. I still don't get it and why it's a thing in the planner community. But I do like the look of these. They are more artsy, less cartoony. So I will definitely be using those. Llama love you forever. You are my llama one. These are cute. I can get behind that. Here's some llama rainbows or boho rainbows with florals. Let's zoom in. Then the cacti. What was I just looking at with cacti? Thinking, oh, these would make a good planner spread. Then here is the dolls, I guess. This one is free. She's sporting a baldy. This one is Plant Mom. Plant Mom 2. Eve. Erica. Right. Pool Party. Pool Essentials. Keisha. Cocomelon. Sandra. Shonda, Tamika, Anaya. She's gonna be used for the 4th of July, I think. If I can remember. Yep. 4th of July stickers. Love it so much. Yep. Dripping red, white, and blue. You make me melt like ice cream on the 4th of July. Star Bangled Donuts. These are cute. And Liberty Sickles. So those are really nice. You know, I love the holidays. And so we got the boho theme. We got the llamas. We got in the boho rainbows. We've got the cacti. The cacti go with the llamas too. And then we got the plant moms. Oh, I don't know what I want to use. I don't think I want to go summer yet. So not the swimwear. All right. So it took me a bit to get together what I want to do. But I think I'm going to use these llama stickers. I may use this work sticker. I reached back into previous releases. I also pulled these 2 dolls. And then this goes with the llamas. This is the washi that I pulled. I can't believe I don't have any washi that will specifically go with this, but I'm gonna work with this one and maybe this one and see what I can do. I think I like this simple line or bow line washi best from Simply Gilded, and I may just do washi at the bottom. See how this goes. Alright, let's see what this one looks like at the top. I usually like to put down the washi first, even though sometimes I just dive into the stickers. I don't think I feel like I want to use that up there. I think I'm just hooked on Simply Gilded washi, to be honest. Maybe I'll do something white. I haven't used this in a while. Hold it to the side and see. Let's go ahead and put down some stickers. I really like these rainbows. So there's one rainbow. Let's check the boxes. If you missed the video where I showed how I put these covers on and my organization system, I will link to it in the iCard up above, so you can check that out. Yeah, these will work. The only problem is they're not really cut right. But let's see how many I can use. I cut these before I calibrated my Cricut. Let's put some washi here too. So there's our rainbow. Let's see, I think I want to use her on this page and not use this other one. Hope not too much goes on Wednesday. All right. Do I even have any thin washi that I could run across there? Let's try this. Just use a few of the cacti. Let's see which llama I want to use. To these florals. Let's do some slicing and dicing. Okay, I think that's good for the deco. I like this. This was fun and different for me. Hopefully that floral at the bottom is not too super overwhelming for this. I want to put this up at the top. I know it's a different metal, but let's just go on and do all the metals. Plus this washi is getting old, I can tell, so let's use it. So again, the stickers are from Let's Get Planned. I will link to them in the description box below, and I'll also link to their channel in the iCard up above. All right, let's use one of these work stickers. Let's put it here. And then let's put these away. Don't forget to check out their dashboards too. Let's go ahead and use this Today sticker. Let's finish up this sheet. So I'm gonna put that one here. Let's grab a next week. Okay, let's do this because I got a little crookedness going on here. So that is it for this setup. Let's pop it back in and see what we've got. Again, this is my PR planner. So that's it for this weekly setup. I used the new June stickers from Let's Get Planned, some of the stickers that I have in my stash as well. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The boxes are available to Patron Elites as well as the script stickers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.